Hello friends.
Hello.
A very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my daily routine. So far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I get up 5:10 o'clock. After that, I wear my slipper, I get fresh, I go to my washroom and I brush my teeth and I wash my face. After that, I go to my room and I go to my mirror and I wipe my face and I comb my hair. After that, I go to my kitchen and I take tea and rusk. After then, I get ready for go to tuition. My tuition starts at 6 o'clock and my tuition ends at 9 o'clock. And I read all subjects there. After that, I come to my home and I walk some time and I get ready for go to school. Firstly, I shower and I go to my room and I wipe my whole body and my hair and I massage my hair with oil. After and I apply cream on my face. After then I put my dress and I go to my kitchen to take my dinner. After the and I take dinner. I take dinner, breads and vegetables. Then I bring out my cycle and I clean my cycle. After that, I call my friends and I wait some time there. And after some time, they come and we all go to school. After then, I reach my school 9:15 o'clock, and after then I go to my classroom and I sit on the bench and I put my bag on the bench. After that, I go to my prayer. My prayer starts at 9:30 o'clock and my prayer ends at 9:45 o'clock. I sit on the bench and my class starts at 10 o'clock and my class continues at 10 to 12 o'clock. Then it is the time of my lunch and I take my lunch. I take lunch, rice, pulse and vegetables. Then I play some time with my friends and I go to and the bell rings to go in classroom. After that, I go to my classroom and I read. My class ends at 3 o'clock. After that, I come to my home and I play cricket and other games sometime. After that, I go to tuition. I go to tuition for spoken English. My tuition starts at 3 o'clock and my tuition ends at 6 o'clock. After that, I go to my home. I call my friends to go to work. I wait some time there and after some time they come and we all go to work. We spend some time there. We return our home. I read 2 hours in my room. I take my dinner. I take dinner at 7 o'clock. After that, I go to my bedroom and I sleep at 7 o'clock. Thank you for listening me. That's all.
Hello, my dear friends.
Hello.
A very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my intro. So far as my intro is concerned, my name is Muhammad Samir Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am 15 years old. My father's name is Muhammad Kalamuddin Ansari. He is a Mason. My mother's name is Roshan Tara. She is a housewife. My qualification is class 9. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing kabaddi, any other games. And my favorite actor is Allu Arjun. My favorite color is white. My aim is to be a doctor. My daily routine is concert. I wake up at 4:50 in the morning and I get up at 5 o'clock. I go to my bathroom and I get fresh. Then I brush my teeth and drink one glass warm water. Then I get wuzu. After some time, I go to masjid for offer namaz. Then I return masjid to home at 5:45. Then I get a bath and I wipe my hair and body. Then I massage my hair with oil. Then I comb my hair and I wear my uniform. Then I take my tea with biscuit and I ready to go to coaching. I go to coaching at 6:30. Then I return coaching to home at 8 o'clock. I take my breakfast and I wash my hand and mouth. Then I wipe my mouth and hand. Then I bring out my cycle and I clean my cycle. I apply cream on my face. Then I call my friends and we all go to school at 9 o'clock. We reach school at 9:20. Then I go to my classroom and I search my seat. I sit on my seat. After that I go to my prayer in the ground. Then my prayer starts at 9:30. After some time my prayer ends. Then we all go to our class in line. After some time teacher comes. Then I get my attendance and he teaches us. After some time I take our lunch. We play in the ground. After some time my class continues at 1 o'clock. After some time my school finishes. Then we all go to our home. Then I reach my home at 3 o'clock and I go to my home to put my bags on the table. Then I put out my uniform and I wear my cloth. Then I go to English spoken class at 3 o'clock. Then we do English conversation. Teacher comes at 4 o'clock. Then my class finishes at 5 o'clock. We all go to our home. I go to my home. I go to play with my friends. I play kabaddi, badminton, hide and seek, any other games. Then I go to my home and take rest. After some time, I read 1 hour and I take my dinner at 8 o'clock. I walk 30 minutes and I watch TV 30 minutes. Then I sleep at 10 o'clock. This is my daily routine. Thank you so much for listening me.
Hello, my dear friends.
Hello.
Good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine. You?
I am also fine. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my intro is concerned, my name is Sarfraz Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. My father's name is Mustafa Ansari. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Taiba Khatun. She is a housewife. I am a student of class 9th. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing kabaddi and playing chess. My favorite color is white and my favorite pen is Ling Ledger. I want to be a doctor. So far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at 4:40 o'clock in the morning and I get up at 4:50 o'clock in the morning. After that, I wear my slipper and I go to my bathroom and I clean my teeth. Then after I get fresh. After that, I take shower. I go to my room and I wear my dress and I comb my hair. After that, I take tea and brush. Then after I ready for going to tuition. I go to tuition at 6:30 o'clock and I return my home at 9 o'clock. After that I wash my hand and I take breakfast. Then after I clean my cycle. Then after that I wear my uniform and shoes. Then after I go to I go to school with my friends at 9:20 o'clock and I reach school at 9:30 o'clock. After that, I go to my classroom and I search benches and I put my bag on bench. Then after, I go to my prayer line. My prayer starts at 9:40 o'clock and finishes at 9:50 o'clock. After that, I go to my classroom and I sit bench. My class starts at 10 o'clock and finishes at 3 o'clock. After that, I change my uniform and I rest 10 minutes. Then after I go to my tuition, learn to speak English. I return my home at 5 o'clock. After that I play in field with my friends at 5:10 o'clock and I return my home at 7 o'clock. After that I read in my home at 7 o'clock and I take dinner at 9 o'clock and I walk 30 minutes. Then after I go to my home and I sleep. That's all. Hello friends.
Hello.
A very good evening to all of you.
A very good evening.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. First of all, I'd like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my intro is concerned,
My name is Zahir Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14-year-old. My father's name is Naeem Ansari. He is a worker. My mother's name is Sahana Khadun. She is a housewife. I am a student of class 9th. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and playing football and playing chess, any other games. My favorite leader is Modi ji and I want to be an army. So far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I get up at 5:10. After that, I go to my bathroom and I take a shower. After bath, I dry my hair and I comb my hair. After comb, I eat something and I go to my tuition at 6:45. After coming from tuition, I take breakfast and I prepare my lunch. I go to school at 9:30. My first period is history and second period is math and third period is biology, and I take lunch with my friends. After that, I wash my hand and I go to my school. After coming from school and I rest sometime. After rest, I go to English spoken class at 3:15. After coming from English spoken class 5 o'clock. After that, I go to play in ground and I play. After that, I watch short videos and play game. After play game, I take dinner. After that, I go to bedroom and I sleep.
Hello friends,
Hello.
good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank myself for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my topic is concerned, my name is Jiwari Saja. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. My father's name is Akhtar Hussain. He is a worker. My mother's name is Khodaja Khatun. She is a housewife. I am a student of class 9. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing chess, playing kabaddi. My favorite color is red. My favorite pen is Linklager. My favorite actor is Allu Arjun. I want to be a doctor. So far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I get up 5:10 o'clock in the morning and I take my sleeper. Then I go to bathroom and I get fresh. Then I go to washroom and I get brush and I clean my face. After then I go to my room. Then I wipe my body and my hair. Then I put oil on my hair. Then after that I take tea. Then I get ready for go to tuition and I go to tuition at 7 o'clock. And I read there's all subject. After then my tuition finishes at 8 o'clock. And I come to my home. Then I go to work and I call my friends and I wait some time. Then they call. After then I come to my home and I shower and then I go to my room. After then I put my dress. Then I take my breakfast and I bring out to my cycle and I clean my cycle and then I call my friends and we all go to school at 9 o'clock. I go to prayer and my prayer starts at 9:30 o'clock. I come to my classroom and my class starts at 10 o'clock. And I take my lunch. Then I play cricket and other games sometime. I come and then I get ready for go to tuition and I go to tuition at 3 o'clock to spoken English and my tuition finishes at 5 o'clock and I come to my home and I go to work and I come to my home and I read 2 hours and I go to work and I sleep at 10 o'clock. That's all.